So the context of this move is the side opposite right, where right hand is overhand, left hand is underhand on the side plane, and then this is the 0 petal flower. 0 petal flower, where all you do is, she says mockingly, all you do is just extend the arms and make big circles. Let us start with the Pilates drill. It is just like the 4 petal flower in many ways because the pattern is the same. However, when we were doing the 4 petal flower, we stop here, we stop here, we stop here, and we stop here, whereas with this, it's one fluid motion all the way around. So as always, earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels. Feet are shoulder width apart. You're going to have your core tight, lifting up your upper body, bringing your shoulders down, starting with both hands on bottom, and the left is under so it goes forward, the right is over so it goes backward, and it's the same T-I, T-I, just faster. So we're going to go for 25, 6, 7, 8, T-I, T-I, and up and down, and up and down, and T-I, T-I, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, 18, 19, and last one, 20. I'll give you a more severe example of sticking that'll be visually obvious. Where I'm going through it, notice how it wasn't smooth at the top there? Okay, so just that sense of not having fluidity in that part of the motion, which would make sense because if you look at the top, this is where the left opens, and this is where the right is palm toward the screen, and it turns palm toward you. So that would be a place that is common for it to get sticky, the top or the bottom, where it just doesn't feel like, oh, I can't quite make that smoothly. And if you are sticking there, one thing to focus on is opening the hip more from the right behind to the left behind. That will help with that. Do the left hand. We'll go for 20 repetitions. It's all you do is just the big underhand circles. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And now let's do the right hand. Overhand. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now let's go back to the left hand one more time, and we'll do 10 more of them on the left side, and starting from underhand, left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to put them both together. So here's what I want to do. Well, I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do a big extension, come around, and we'll count off again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Extension, come around, and count. 5, 6. So this is in same time, not split time. So keep it in same time. Which means they both hit the bottom of the turn together. 5, 6, 7, go. Extension and down. And same time, and 5, 6, left forward, right back, and go. 1 and down. 5, 6, 7, left forward, right back, go. Looks like you're doing this as opposed to this. So if you find that you're going up to midnight and then coming back down, remember you have to extend all the way around the back side. The other thing that's happening is you keep switching from same time to split time. So you want to keep it in same time, where both poi are hitting the bottom of the turn at the same time. We're here like this. The left is under, the right is over. They're both hitting the bottom of the turn at the same time. Let's just do the left hand. Let's drill that 10 more times by itself. Your left hand looks not very strong right now, but this is why we were starting with this one. Here we go. So big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's do another drill. Your left hand is underhand, your right hand is overhand, you're in the same time. Now what I want you to do is keep your right one small and go big with the left. You might do 2 revolutions with the right hand, but your left hand is going big while your right hand is down there. Big and down. Okay, now go big with your right hand. Big and down. Now, same time again. Left one goes front. Go big with the left. Yes, now go big with the right. Now go big with the left. Big with the right. Big with the left. Big with the right. Big with the left. Big with the right. And then we'll do the left goes big and back down. Full extension. Good, and then the right goes big. All the way around and down. Now your left goes big and down. And then your right goes big and down. And then your left goes big and down. And eventually you can get to a place where you're doing big and down and big and down and alternating left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right, and then both, and both, and both, and both. 5, 6, 7, big extension. And good. 5, 6, 7, and go. Big extension all the way around. 5, 6, 7, big around and down. 5, 6, 7, big around and down. And yes, 5, 6, 7, big around, come down. 5, 6, 7, big around, come down. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and round and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, around, come down. And 2 in a row now. 5, 6, 7, 8, one time around, second time around, come down. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, twice around. 1 and 2 and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and down. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and down. Remember, we're going to keep the spine erect. We're standing up tall, no downhill skier. And 5, 6, 7, twice around. 1 and 2 around. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and down. And let's try 4. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3. And last time, come down. And 5, 6, 4 more times. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, come down. Yeah. And 5, 6, 7, 4 more. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, come down. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, come down. Nice. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, come down. Instead of focusing on trying to get the line straight, focusing on trying to get your core motion tighter, cleaner, and maybe sharper. Because when you move more sharply with the core, the sort of the whipping effect helps propel the poi, and it's less from the arm. Because, I mean, your words were, my left arm is weaker. This helps counterbalance the weakness in the arm by using your core muscles to help propel it forward. My plane should be as tight to my body as I can be, right? I'm noticing you go like this instead of that. Do you see the difference? You're ending up here instead of here. So I think focusing on, if you had a wall, I would say focus on doing this next to your wall.